are you showing me?
I'm just going to show you this AI smart website I built for you. I'm not trying to sell you anything. Yeah, that happens a lot when you cold call. But the reason I still do it is because I'm not actually pitching anything. I just show businesses my self-selling AI demo and it does the hard selling for me. And in this video, I'm going to show you some live cold calls to show you exactly how this entire process works.
Hello.
Hey, are you guys open right now? I'm looking online and it says you guys are closed.
Oh, yeah, we open at 7 on weekdays. Where are you looking at?
Where am I looking at? I'm in Arizona right now.
Oh, okay, but like on Google or
On Google right now, man.
Oh, okay, I'm so sorry about that. What were you looking for?
So I just wanted to call to ask if obviously, see if you guys are open. But real quick, before I go into that, I want to make sure this is Jeremy's Plumbing, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So I just had a quick question, man. So I'm noticing, and I'm seeing this all the time, a lot of these businesses online are closed when they're actually open. I don't know if that's just like a glitch I see, but I've been noticing that a lot.
Yeah, it's just we don't have somebody to help us edit our sites and stuff.
Okay, perfect. Well, one of the bigger things that I've been noticing too, and this is actually an even bigger problem, is that when customers call, especially after hours, nobody is answering. Is that happening to you guys as well?
Yeah, because we don't have the best phone system, so yeah, after hours it does get a little bit difficult.
Interesting. Well, let me just be straightforward with you, man. And wait, real quick, who am I speaking with right now?
This is Jeremy.
Jeremy, okay, perfect, man. Well, Jeremy, the reason I'm calling is because I basically built this AI agent that's going to handle sales and customer support 24/7. And to be clear, man, I'm not trying to sell you anything on this call. I'm not. I'm being dead serious. I'm just trying to give you a demo you can test. And if I could send that over to you, again, it'd be easier than me explaining, but I'm not trying to sell you anything. I just want to see if this would help you in your business, man.
Okay, yeah. I mean, I was thinking about AI stuff, and I was just about to ask you how that works. So if you have a demo, then yeah, I'd be willing to check that out.
Okay, awesome. So Jeremy, all I need to do is I need either an email or a number that I can send this exact demo through, and then I'll walk you through it because the demo is going to basically explain itself, but essentially what I need to do is I just need a place to send it so you can test this out.
Okay, yeah, this number works fine. We can take texts, sorry.
So this number right here?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect, man. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you this right now. Now, all you need to do when you go on this demo is try it out. Okay, so go in, ask as if you're a customer, Jeremy's Plumbing, and try to break it. Okay, just go through, try to break it, test it, man. And then I can follow up with you and we can do a meeting and then I can set it up after. And the cool thing too, Jeremy, about this entire process is I can either set this entire thing up for free, like the website and all this stuff, or what I can do is I can just add the existing AI agents to your site. Now, again, I want to let you try this for free. I want to set this up for free, but first you need to try it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to text you this smart demo right now and then basically just go through that process and we'll be good to go, man.
Okay, yeah, I was gonna say, wait, before we get into all that, let me at least look at it first. So, okay, yeah, that sounds all right.
Okay, yeah, perfect. All right, Jeremy, I'm going to send this over right now, man. And then I'll just call you back or you can text me and let me know how you like it.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, perfect. Yep, thank you, Jeremy. All right, peace. So before we call Jeremy back, I want to actually show you the exact sales script that I'm using in this call to get Jeremy on, and it is this right here. Now, the whole point of this sales script is actually not to sell them. It is to guide them to the self-selling AI demo, which is what I'm going to show you now, which is what does the hard selling for you. So this is perfect if you're not good at sales, or even if you are good at sales and you just want to do less work and have AI work for you. So check out the self-selling demo. So it's a basic AI smart website at first, but then what I did is I added in custom CSS and HTML inside of the code to do a complete walkthrough for the business, as opposed to my old demos where I just said, hey, click the button, it guides them through. So it says still losing website visitors who never call or book. And then right here, it goes right through and tells what it does. And then anywhere you click on the page, the demo starts. So we click it, both these arrows point down, show this exact agent. They go, okay, click the blue button. They click it. And now it is Jasmine, the support agent trained on Connor's Landscaping, the AI Smart website. And by the way, I'm going to show you how to get this and my entire sales script for free in just 1 second, because these are really amazing. And as you see right here, it says this website is about to talk to, ask questions, and book like a real employee. So it guides them right through that. And then what essentially happens is it walks them through the demo. So once they're done, basically talking to AI agent, which goes through and books them like they're a landscaping agent, they click anywhere, and then this AI agent pops up. This is the crazy part, guys. In this snapshot, there are 2 different AI agents. There's one, which is the basic smart demo website for Connor's Landscaping that works Connor's landscaping leads. The other is Maria, who is geared towards selling said person on the phone, which in this case is Jeremy, our friend. So you see how powerful this is? And then they can talk to both. So they can talk to this one.
Hello, you've reached Connor's Landscaping.
And then they have Maria.
Hey, I'm Maria. Did you check out the demo?
See how cool that is? Hey, Maria, how you doing? I did check out the demo.
Hi there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Glad you got to check out the demo. What did you think of it?
So it'll basically walk through and then help finish the sale. And then all we have to do is call Jeremy back if he's interested to collect payment. That's the power of this. And guys, by the way, if you look right here, this is tricky to do. Like, try to do this on your own. Trying to get 2 widgets on one site where one pops up and the other, and the agents pop up. This is coding. And that's what I've done for you in this snapshot. So this sales script and this entire smart website AI demo are free when you sign up with the 30-day free trial link down below. You will also get access to my entire private community, which I recommend you just click the link and look at what we have here. It's going to show you everything we have, but I don't want to waste too much of your time here, so we're going to get right back to the video. But I really recommend not only to get these amazing assets, but also to access my community and my live calls with me and a bunch of other coaches. You just click the link and look at all the bonuses, because I'm telling you right now, no one gives away the bonuses I do, okay? And if you don't believe me, check out the link. But let's jump right back into the cold call.
Hello.
Jeremy, I saw you looked at the site on the back end, man. What'd you think?
Yeah, it seems pretty cool.
Awesome. So do you have any questions on it? You think it was something that could work in your business?
I mean, maybe.
Perfect. Well, let me just go right here, man, because I don't want to make this awkward or anything. Would you be down if we tried this? I just set it up for free. I normally charge around $500 setup fee. Let me just set this entire thing up on your website for free, or I'll even build you the website from scratch. Like, either or works. That way you can try it, man. Because again, I can tell like this kind of AI stuff is new, but I want to really try this out because I think it will help you a lot. What do you think about that? Does that sound good, Jeremy?
Well, is this like one of those things where you let me try it for free and then you charge me a bunch of money afterward?
Yeah, not exactly. So what I want to do here is I want to essentially set this up so you can see it works, because I see you went through the demo. Like, I can see on the back end that you tried it out. And essentially what I could do is I'll set it up, and then from there, if you are interested and you try it out and you see that it, answered a call or booked a lead, we can move into basically, I'll give you a reduced price. Normally I charge around like $300 a month for this. I'll give it to you for $197. Again, you can try this thing for free. We'll just do that because I can tell you're new. Wait, are you guys new? Because I noticed you guys don't have a lot of reviews either on Google.
Yeah, we're just not really good at getting reviews, but we're just coming off a slow season 2.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, it's winter. Yeah. Okay, so does that sound good though? If we just tested this out, again, I don't know what your budget's looking like, but if we just tested that, this thing out, would that be good?
Well, that sounds a lot better than what I was thinking. I was thinking an AI website would be like thousands of dollars.
Yes, of course. So do you sound that it sounds like a good idea?
Yeah. I mean, how would it affect my current website?
Yeah, great question, Jeremy. So we can do 2 things. Okay, number 1, I can go through and I can reset up your website if you want for free, no charge. Again, like, I'm not going to charge you on the back end here. Or we can just add the existing AI website using some quick code, which I would do for you, to add it to the existing. That's completely up to you, man. Either way, it's going to be the same free setup.
And then, do I need a new phone number?
Good question. So essentially what we could do 2 things. If you just want to have the AI agents on the website, we don't need a new phone number, because I have a special software that can do that. If you do want to connect the agents to the phone number, we could do some sort of call forwarding, or what I could do is I could just get a number for you and install it on the website. Again, I would take the charge for that. It'd be on me completely. It just depends on what you want to do. I may recommend just doing the adding it to the website. That might be a little easier to start out with, and then we can slowly move into the phone number, if that sounds good.
Okay, yeah, I think AI could help us get out. So you could set it up.
Sweet. Okay, so how do you want me to do this? Do you want me to do this over Zoom? Do you want to just send me the info online? We can do it either way, whatever works easiest for you, man.
What
'Cause-
info do you need?
So essentially, all I need to do is access your website if we're going to be setting it up there. If you want me to do it from scratch, Jeremy, I'll go in and I'll just set this all up for you, man.
Yeah, I want to see what kind of website you can put together too.
Perfect. Okay, well, what I'll do, Jeremy, is I'll go in and I will just set this up really fast for you. I'll have my team run through it, and then I will send this to you ASAP, and then we'll be good to go, man. And then we'll just connect to your domain, do a couple other things once you approve, and we're literally good to go. We're off to the races, man.
Okay.
And then you can test for free, risk-free, man.
Yeah, you can just use the information that's on our website.
Yeah, perfect. Will do. Well, Jeremy, thank you so much, man. If I have any questions, is this the same number to reach out to?
Yeah. You can text, call.
And could I have a good email, please, as well?
Okay, yeah. My email is
Perfect. Okay, man. Thank you so much. Jeremy, I really appreciate it, man. I think you're going to love this AI Smart website.
okay. Sounds good.
So I hope you enjoyed that, guys. If you do want access to this awesome script and this amazing AI Smart website self-selling demo, it's right down below. But I have one more thing for you that I think you're going to like. The first thing I want to let you know is there was a lot of cold calls you didn't see in the making of this video. I bombed with a lot of people. I'm going to be completely transparent with you. You saw one in the beginning. That's how cold calling goes. You do not win them all. A lot of people online, they're just cold calling and selling deals left and right. Not the way cold calling works. Okay, it's not. But with the self-selling demo, as you saw, it can be possible if you do it right. And cold calling can absolutely be a great way to generate a ton of leads. So there was a lot of things that you're not seeing in this video, which is a lot of the cold calls I made, but there's no reason to put that in this video because it would be so long. But what I want to do now is I just want to link two of the other cold calls that I did. That one was kind of a funny rejection and the other is just me accidentally laughing, which I don't recommend you do, but I couldn't take this guy seriously. So it was really funny, but I recommend you check that out because it's going to pop up literally right now. But it's just for your enjoyment, just to kind of show you the reality of cold calling. But in reality, cold calling can be very powerful. And I really recommend you snag this demo down below because this could change everything for you. So without further ado, enjoy my failures.
Hello?
Hey, is this Ramirez Landscaping?
Yes.
Hey, are you guys open right now? Because it says on Google you guys are closed.
We're open.
And who am I speaking to?
Rob.
Perfect, Rob. Well, I just want to let you know I'm seeing this a lot online, but the even bigger problem I'm seeing is that when people call people's businesses and after hours, no one picks up the phone. Do you guys have that problem?
I'm not interested in whatever you're trying to sell me.
I'm not trying to sell you anything, man. I have a completely free demo I want to show you. It's, again, not trying to sell you. If I can just have 3 minutes of your time, I'll walk you right through it.
Not interested.
You sure? Again, man, are you not interested in what I'm offering? Are you not interested in getting your leads taken care of? What are you not interested in here?
Yeah, not interested in whatever you're trying to sell me.
What? Dude, the guy didn't even tell me why. All right, let's do this. Hey, is this Beacon's Plumbing?
Yes,
Are you guys open right now?
yes.
What? What is that? Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in getting these scripts, okay, these AI Smart website demos, and really all of my bonuses, there's that 30-day free trial link right down below. So go check that out. I think you're really going to like it. If you have any questions about cold calling, prospecting, high level, anything, drop it down below and your boy, the wizard, will answer it. But other than that, thank you for watching and make sure you watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.